Hey there! Do you have the rusty discs from the wheels of your old car just sitting in your garage? Well, I've got an amazing craft idea for you today. Let's turn those old discs into something spectacular. Ready to get started? So, I've decided to transform this old disc into a magnificent axe. And not just any axe, but an authentic Viking axe. First things first, I need to cut the disc to get the right shape for the blade. Once it's cut, the next step is to sharpen it up. These steps might take some time, so put on some music and enjoy the crafting process. The first part of this craft is ready. Now that the axe blade is ready, it's time to craft the wooden handle. I'll make some holes in the handle to attach the blade securely. The more tools I have, the better I can shape the wood to perfection. Let me show you some tricks to make this axe stylish and unique. Remember, the real magic comes from your imagination. Let it run wild, and you'll create the most original axe ever. All right, it's time to put the pieces together. I'll start by applying some wood glue to both sides of the auxiliary part of the axe blade. Once everything fits together nicely, I'll insert some copper cylinders through the holes to secure it all in place. Want to give your axe a rustic aesthetic? Just apply heat to the wood with a torch to bring out its grain. It's an easy and fun way to create amazing patterns on the handle. After darkening the wood, I'll use a wire brush to remove some of the charred bits, revealing the beautiful texture beneath. Pretty neat, right? This craft is almost done, and I'm so excited to show you the final result. I bet you never thought an old car disc could turn into such an amazing axe. I hope you enjoyed learning these amazing crafts. See you in the next video.